Dear friends and students, Assalamu alaikum. Let me ask you a couple of questions. Number one, once you are done with your college studies, what will you do? Yes, you might give me the answer that majority of you might go to the university for higher studies. And few of you can give me the answer that they need the money, so they are gonna start their job. While there might be few people who would give me the answer that they are gonna start their own work. If you have planned to go and start your own work, it means you are becoming an entrepreneur. You will become an entrepreneur. What does it mean by an entrepreneur? There are various definitions available of the entrepreneur. For example, one of the easiest definition is entrepreneur is the person who identifies the gap in the market and puts all the factors of production like land, labor, capital and enterprise, organizes all these resources and starts the business. So gap actually is the demand or the needs and wants of the people who would like to buy, but nobody is there in the market to go and serve them. So entrepreneur identifies that gap and sells the goods and services and his ideas in the market. And in return, he or she earns the profitability. There are other definitions of an entrepreneur as well. So what are these definitions? I'll give you one more definition of an entrepreneur is a person who organizes, operates and takes the risk for a new business venture. Organizes, operates and takes the risk for a new business venture. He or she is considered to be an entrepreneur. Now, there are various advantages and disadvantages of being an entrepreneur. So we'll begin with first advantage. Let me ask you first, what are the advantages in your mind of being an entrepreneur? Yes, if I give me the first and foremost advantage of being an entrepreneur is independence. It means you are able to choose how to use your time and money by whom. Nobody is there to ask you to come on this time from 9 to 5 like in the jobs and other time as well. And besides that usage of money, you decide to use your money according to your will, according to your idea. So you become independent when you become an entrepreneur. Second advantage of being an entrepreneur is able to put new ideas into practice. You thought a lot, you came up with wonderful ideas, but you were doing a job. Nobody allowed to implement your idea in others' business. So what will you do? Once you become an entrepreneur, you'll be able to put your own idea into practice. So you can build a business. The third advantage of becoming an entrepreneur is you might become famous once you have become a successful entrepreneur. For example, take an example, today's businesses like Steve Jobs, the owner of the Apple company, as everyone is aware of his name because he is a successful entrepreneur. Like Mark Zuckerberg, Bill Gates, Steve Wozniak, Richard Branson, there is a huge list of these entrepreneurs who have become successful and famous. The next advantage is once your business is gonna work, it may be profitable. You'll be able to earn a lot of the profit, and the income might be higher than the job. You might be doing the job, you might be getting the salary like 100,000 rupees, but once you started the business from very beginning, gradually you are capturing the market, your income increases, and as a result, you'll be able to earn more as compared to the job. The fifth advantage of being an entrepreneur is able to make use of personal interests and skills. Because you know that this is your business and you need to put a lot of the efforts and the interest in order to make that business successful. Now these were the advantages of being an entrepreneur, while there are other disadvantages of being an entrepreneur as well. So what might be these disadvantages of being an entrepreneur? First one is risk. Yes, many new entrepreneurs, businesses fail. If they are going to take the risk, it has huge risk. If you have not planned your business correctly or in a better way, it means you're going to lose your money, your time and everything. It's risky. And number two, The second disadvantage is you need the capital. If you do not have any other income source or earning source or source of the earning, what will you do? How will you start your business? So you need the capital, number one, your own money, and you need to find out the financing sources as well, like taking the loan, selling the shares, etc. So for that, you need the capital. If you don't have the capital, you won't be able to start a business. The third disadvantage is lack of knowledge and experience in starting and operating the business. You do not have the knowledge, you do not have the experience to go and operate the business. So you might fail. Then the opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is actually the lost income from not being an employee of another business. If you could have started the job, you might have earned a lot of income, but you decided to go and start the business. As a result, you lost the income that you could have earned from doing the job. You were not doing the job, you were doing your business, and you failed. As a result, you lost that income as well. That is considered as opportunity cost. So there are various businesses around the globe which started from the very beginning. For example, HP company was started in a small garage. And take an example of Apple, it was again started in a small room. So there are businesses which were started from the trash and today has become millionaire or billions of businesses. So how such businesses turned into from zero to multi-billionaire businesses? For that, let me give you a hint. Idea is very important. First of all, if your idea is great, and you have put in your own efforts and skills along with the experienced and better people, you will be able to succeed and become a successful entrepreneur. So dear students and friends, I hope you understand the concept of entrepreneurship, advantages and disadvantages of being an entrepreneur. Like, share and comment on the video, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you very much.